All but three members of the Reggae Girls contingent are now in the island as they get ready for their next two home matches in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. The girls took part in a full session at Sabina Park on Tuesday. A confident bunch of Reggae Girls are now getting ready to get the job done as they eye another berth on the world stage. The girls will play the Cayman Islands away on Saturday before hosting the Dominican Republic on Tuesday, two matches that they must win to stay on course. But they will make do without Chelsea midfielder Drew Spencer and Courtney Douglas, who will not make the trip.
They're still in the process of trying to get their documents together. Everything is in line, but it's just final touches on there, so we are still not sure yet.
However, making the trip is striker Jody Brown.
I think this camp is just going to show our character more. I think we just have to be focused. Just try to get the result that we wanted to get us to the next round.
The Reggae Girls are second in Group C on 6 points, the same as the Dom Rep, who lead on goal difference, having scored 4 goals more. According to 25-year-old Kayla McCoy of Rangers, the proper mindset should see them getting the job done.
We're really looking forward to the game. All the games are big games for us. For the qualifiers, we have to finish top of the group, so I'm just going to go into it with the right mindset and hopefully get the result.
With only the top team in the group advancing to the final round of the qualifiers in Mexico in July, Coach Vin Blaine admits there is some concern.
Concern in a sense that we believe we can win, yes, but still have to look. If there are goal difference there, then they can play a certain way that can probably prevent us from going forward. So we have to take care and see what we're going to do, but are we prepared for them going forward?
Tickets for next Tuesday's game will go on sale on Saturday at the JFF headquarters.